dear third class children, welcome to maths class. Continuation of first chapter, numbers up to 10,000, rounding of numbers. I started in the previous class. First I am going to revise rounding of numbers nearest to tens. Nearest tens. Rounding of numbers nearest tens. Numbers to the nearest tens. Rounding of numbers to the nearest tens. See how to do that nearest tens. I give you examples. Once again I am going to revise that. Go to continuation. 83 and 247 and 3278. See, nearest tens. Rounding off the following numbers to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens. Write the following numbers. The rounding of the following numbers to the nearest tens. Rounding of the following numbers nearest to the tens. I tell you rules here. What are those rules? Yes, take one digit numbers less than 5, 5 or greater than 5. What are the less than 5? Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are less than 5. These are less than 5. Yes or no? Next, what are more than 5? 5 are greater than 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? See here. When we are going to rounding off the nearest tens, first we are going to look at the ones place number in the given numbers. Take 83. What is in the ones place? 3. Is 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Then we are going to rounding down. Rounding down means no change in the tens place number. Put 0 in the ones place number. Why? 10 having 1 0, no? That's why put 0. Write same tens place number. That means 83 is nearest to 80. 83 is nearest to 80. Are you understood? One more 2-digit number. I gave you another 2-digit number. See, if the given number is 78, okay, check ones place number. These are ones, these are tens. Is it it? Ones place number is 8. 8 is more than 5. 8 is more than 5. Then here rule goes to add 1 to tens place number. Add 1 to the tens place number and put 0 in the ones place. Okay, add 1 to the tens place number. Add means plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8 and put 0 in the ones place. That means 78 is nearer to 80. 78 is nearest to the 80. Understood? If the ones place number is less than 5, no change. If the ones place number is more than 5, add 1 to tens place number and put 0 in the ones place. Now coming to this number. What is the number read out? 247. Is it 2-digit or 3-digit? 3-digit. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Here we are going to write rounding of the numbers to the nearest tens. To the nearest tens. When we are going to writing rounding of the numbers nearest to tens, first check ones place number. What is the ones place number? 7. Here rule goes to the ones place number is less than 5 or 5 or more than 5. Here two rules are there. That here ones place number is 7. 7 is more than 5. 7 is more than 5. Then we add 1 to tens place number. We add 1 to the tens place number. That means 4 plus 1. 1 0. That means 247 is nearest to 250. Understood? Ones place number is 7. 7 is more than 5, greater than 5. That's why add 1 to tens place number, write hundreds place number as it is. Put 0 in the ones place, 4 plus 1 5, write hundreds place number as it is. 247 is nearest to 250. Now third number is 4 digit number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Same rule. Check out ones place number. Ones place number is 8. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. Then add 1 to tens place number. Add 1 to tens place number. 10 means put 1 0 in the ones place. 7 plus 1 8. Write hundreds place as it is. Write thousands place as it is. 3278 is nearer to 3280. This is going to rounding of numbers nearest to tens. Now second one goes to rounding of numbers to the nearest 100. Rounding of numbers to the nearest 100. Nearest 100. See, nearest tens means we are going to checking ones place number. Nearest to 100 means we are going to check tens place number. See, example 282 648. See, hundreds, that's why we take 3 digit numbers. Rounding of numbers to the nearest 100, we are going to follow same rules. These are less than 5, 5 are more than 5. Greater than 5, less than 5. You have to keep this rule in the mind. 2 rules. Less than 5, greater than 5 or 5. Now when we are going to rounding of numbers to the nearest 100, we are going to check tens place number. Okay, what is the tens place number? 8. 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. Then add 1 to hundreds place number. Okay, write down. You see properly. 282 ones, tens, hundreds. Rounding of numbers to the nearest hundreds means check tens place number. If tens place number is more than 5, greater than 5, add 1 to hundreds place number. 8 is greater than 5, add 1 to hundreds place number. 2 plus 1, 3. 100 having 2 zeros, that's why put 2 zeros in the ones place and tens place. That means 282 is nearest to 300. 282 is nearest to 300. Now going to this example, 648. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. When we are going to writing rounding of numbers to the nearest 100, check tens place number. What is in the tens place? 4. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Then no change in the hundreds place. No change in the hundreds place. Write hundreds number as it is. 100 having 2 zeros. Write 2 zeros in the tens place and ones place. That means 648 is nearer to 600. Understood? Now I am going to show this number on the number line. 282 lies between 282 between 200 and 300. Draw the number line 200 to 300. Hundreds kada, that's why. 210, 220, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290. This is going to number line 200 to 300. Given number is 282. I think it is here. 282. Okay? 282 is nearest to 200 or nearest to 300. It is nearest to 300. Understood? This is rounding of numbers to the nearest 100 using number line. Using number line. Second number goes to 648. It lies between 600 and 700. Draw the number line of 600 and 700. Right. 610, 620, 630, 640, 650, 660, 670, 680, 690, 700. 60, 70, 80, 90, 700. Okay? Rounded down, rounded up. 5 or more than 5, rounded up. 5 less than 5, rounded down. The given number is 648. It may be here. 648. 648 is rounded down. That means less than 5. That means it is nearer to 600. This is rounding of numbers nearest to 100 on the number line. On the number line. Another example. Another example. 7,163, 3,245. See, ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Same rule. When we are going to rounding off numbers to the nearest 100, check tens place number. Check tens place number. Here tens place number is 6. 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5. Then we add 1 to hundreds place number. We add 1 to hundreds place number. Now write remaining digits. See, 100 having 2 zeros now. That's why put 2 zeros in the ones and tens. 1 plus 1 2. Write thousands place number. 7,163 is nearest to 7,200. Now come to this example. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Same rule. Check out tens place number. 4. 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. Then no need to add any number to hundreds place. 100 having 2 zeros. Those 2 zeros write in the tens and ones. Remaining digit write as it is. Thousands, hundreds, put 2 zeros in the ones and tens. Then 3,245 is nearest to 3,200. Okay? Understood? This is going to rounding of numbers to the nearest 100. Rounding of numbers to the nearest 100. One more example. 8,305, 4,178. Rounding of numbers to the nearest 100 means check tens place number. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. What is in the tens place? 3. 3 is less than 5. 3 is less than 5. Then no change, no add. Then write the number. 100 having 2 zeros. These 2 zeros write in the ones and tens. 8, 0, 0. That means 835 is Now come to this number 4178. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Here also check tens place number. Nearest to 100 kabatti check tens place. What is in the tens place? 7. 7 is greater than 5. 7 is greater than 5. Then add 1 to tens place number. This number is less than 5. No need to add. Here 7 is greater than 5. That's why add and put 2 zeros, ones and tens. Write thousands place as it is. 1 plus 1, 2. Put zeros. 4178 is nearest to 4200. One more example. 3753. 3753. Same rule. Check tens place number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. What is in the tens place? 5. The rule goes to in the tens place number is 5 or greater than 5. We add 1 to the hundreds place. Here tens place number is 5. Add 1 to tens place. That means 7 plus 1. Write thousands place number as it is. 7 plus 1 8. Put 2 zeros, tens and ones. That means 3753 is nearest to 3800. Are you clear? Okay, Nana? I give you once again explanation in the next class. We continue same in the next class. You have to practice in the rough notes and learn tables